okay, lawyer na Anambra, lawyer na Agama, you got the fear war. The third one, which is what you just asked about support, monthly support. I understand the burden, and if you are going to have 300-400 inmates here, feeding them, providing them with medication, providing medical services and care to the old people and to those in with psychiatric needs. That's going to be costing quite a lot of money every month. Is that?
Yeah.
The Zion, of one yes, no man knows every month now. About your assistance more.
Yes.
Not our government even here. What I will say to you, no lot to Ebukambo. Ebuka tax. Now put that. Anambra Kwenu. All the Kasana na neighbor. Man, what I want to say to you, evangelist, surely I will work this out now. I will go home. I will go back. Today is Friday. This place is going to be operational from next month. Today is 19th, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, between now and before it gets functional, I will communicate to you very clear terms what Anambra State's own monthly contributions will be to encourage you and encourage you to be able to do more. Yes. Because this is what government should be doing everywhere.
So only nanya back at the phone, Nife, Governor Soludo Kuleba to similar to Ife, Peter Bukulu, Oposio Jelu, Adoration Enugu. E what I go Kaife, Governor Soludo Kuleba, Ifu Kuleba, na Teta Ogono, Kojesi no Cheke, no Yapo. Opposite what they can do, which is not a problem. Or something do similar to this can buy somebody. Onya sigare won. E what I go shock or embarrass rapid obi. E what I know. So anyway, is we go say that Zion ground is not a campaign ground. I will show you a speech where Evangelist Kobe made it clear right in front of the governor that now a lot of people, gubernatorial aspirants, for campaign, that he has never been to Anambra State government house. And the reason is just because of this project, that the sitting governor must be there, making reference to Nkemelu State. No, otherwise, he said it right in front of the governor, that this place is not a campaign ground, and it can never be. That he's not a politician, that he's just answering the call of God upon here. Evangelist Kobe oversizing that woman. It was not even a problem, because if I had run out the reason for the event and on air today. So he said he's going to get back to Zion Ministry to say what the government can be doing to support the project, because this is a mega and multi-million naira project forever and ever. Share this video. Everything is not all about money. They insulted P2B and they humiliated him because he could not call money. So moreover, even if you heard people even say that now Zion are capable of doing that, but Zion just needed a collaboration with the government, because of course it is needed. It's not that they cannot fund it. If we can governor Bruno na Zion game we fetone, which is lazy, Zion will mad. Egone kaiji were wrong anyway, and need to me kuku. You got to go share this video. Only fedition ebwe. You got to go. Some people now turn on their event to campaign ground, and use your opportunity for money hunting. Evangelism could be strictly for the business or be an Anambra State. And the one any other thing in concern, yeah? So people did not really pay attention more, even though we know that Governor Soludo is going to deliver an evil, but even if he doesn't, it's not even an issue. Because the issue there is that a mission has been accomplished and it needs to be unveiled to the world. Share this video.
Our paths haven't crossed personally. I met him for the first time, live and direct, today. Live and direct today. But before then, I've watched some of his videos, some of the outreach programs, and I must tell you, and I like it. And let me tell you, because yes, that is the one that I love the most.
Okay, why?
I didn't know that he had started a crusade. When we launched our big program to cleanse Anambra and cleanse Igboland of all the dangerous native doctors in the Ndigbo, I listened to a video of his where he was talking exactly about the same thing, and he said that what Soludo was saying and was doing, that he endorsed it. I was very much, I said, Evangelist Ebugo, that's my brother from now on. So I'm only an second. So no, Anambra. But Emezia, Nimo na say aso Nimo na say aso. Nimo na say Mba. Obe kuzi na iba. Opa ni seke ka amole ya o. Seke ko Anambra. Anyway, welcome home, my brother. It was really a pleasure, great pleasure. Finally to meet him. And I will tell you one thing. Thank you, gratitude for having the presence of mind to answer God's calling on you. He told me the story of how from childhood he had always had this passion, almost like a calling, a commitment to help the less privileged, to help the downtrodden, to be able to have a foundation that will help to lift everyone up. Here in Anambra and my government, because this aligns fully for me at a personal level and the essence of what we do and who we are as a government. When I heard that he was building this, it sounded, is it true? And then finally I was told it's completed, waiting for commissioning. I had to send my chaplain to go on a physical verification to confirm. And he came back and gave me a report, said it was marvelous. Marvelous. And let me thank you, Evangelist Ebuka, because what you have done is to live out the true essence of Christianity. This is what Christianity is all about. This is what Christianity is all about. Yes, appreciation. We thank you that you had the presence of mind to have this sited in Anambra. when the way Nigeria is configured, and we now talk about state of origin, you are, if I am correct, your state of origin is Imo. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It's Imo State. Now you did the first one in Imo, the second one in Anambra, leaving out that whole essence. That for me, and I will say 2 things, 2 points for me, the significance of this. Number 1, you talked about Akuru Lonya Owanabia, Onya Walunga, Menya Tinyopia. More than that is to be able to have, for me, the essence of Christianity, for me, is on Matthew chapter 25, I think verses 35 upwards. Anabra Kwenu. Yes, that's where Jesus said that on the last day, I will ask you, I was hungry, you did not feed me. I was naked, you did not clothe me. I was sick, you did not come to visit me. I was thirsty, you didn't give me water to drink. And he ended up saying, oh, where did I see you? And he said, when you do it for any of these little ones, you have done it for me. For me, that is the whole essence of Christianity. He's changing a narrative, a very important narrative. A whole lot of people with ministries, with millions of followers, unfortunately, some have turned it into, or when you see us clearing pension arrears or gratuity arrears, or when you see us having free education in all government schools, or having free antenatal free delivery in government hospitals, or when you see us in all that we do, even before I became governor, 15 years ago, I adopted a primary school where we pay all bills for the poorest of the poor to be able to do that. So for me, it's personal. What is happening today is very personal. It's not just being governor, because at the end of the day, I like the song that heralded us to this office. I love that song. If only all people remember. Now that you live out this whole essence, it's a message to all of us. How many beds are you going to sleep on? How many houses are you going to live in? How many cars are you going to drive at a time? It's all vanity. At the end of the day, everybody will take his own 6 feet and go. But while we live here on earth, we must do the work of God. Whether you are in government, whether as a private individual, whether through your foundation, no one is too poor to give and no one is too rich to receive. Whether you have 5 naira, give. Make somebody smile in a day. What we have come to celebrate today, many of you know me. You know, I speak straight. I'm not a typical politician. You know that. You know that. I say what I mean. Because I'm now politicians because this particular mission is the one that I believe everybody in Igboland must support. And every time it is about this, you will see me in support. Yesterday, I think the PFN in Anambra, they donated a school that they just built at the prisons in Onitsha. They donated that to the state. Unfortunately, I couldn't be there because, some other engagements we were engaged out there, but my commissioner went to receive that. Tomorrow, there is a luncheon going to build old people's home by one of the denominations, I think is the Catholic Diocese of Oka, to build old people's home and an orphanage. You have already done it now. Today we have come, the proposals, the days, wherever it is that this is being done. And I am calling on all the others, many people who have ministries. Please imitate Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Imitate Evangelist Ebuka Obi. To be able to build this, are you listening to me? To build this, and that people are going to receive free services. Are you hearing me? Free services. Free services. I want to say to you, you have a partner here. You have a partner. Anambra State government will partner with you. And I will really say a few things. Some I will say immediately because I'm getting the one about money. Maybe I can so that can happen. Never. Okay, let me say a few things. Number one, when someone was speaking, he talked about electricity and transformer. Any day to get the transformer. Coincidentally, my commissioner for power and water resources is from this community. It's from Aguilera. They call him Okunamili. We are going to get him to get the transformer so that the electricity will work. Number two, the brief, short spell of road that we just drove off here, which I just heard from the Igbo Aguilera. Ezudo, no, that road, when the Aguilera na Umueri, na Mpese, and I was on him where a waiting the road, okay, Wafa. Makafa Musoludon, now the road where we're to do. No Soludo Road. That Soludo Road will come very quickly and get it back so that you can get it out. My brother, and the Anambra in all the 3 zones and communities, when Chia so now I go all the way to Igbo. Man, we're not a fair walk, isn't it? I think from what I have heard today, and from what I am seeing today, it looks like Evangelist Ebukobi is also all at work. We're not a fair walk. Because lawyer na Anambra, lawyer na Agama, it's not a fair walk. The third one, which is what you just asked about support, monthly support. I understand the burden, and if you are going to have 300-400 inmates here, feeding them, providing them with medication, providing medical services and care to the old people and to those in with psychiatric needs. That's going to be costing quite a lot of money every month. Is that?
Yes.
The Zion, of all yes, no man knows every month. About your assistance more.
Yes.
About our government, what I will say to you, no, what will come? A book tax. And I put that. All the Kasana na neighbor. Man, what I want to say to you, evangelist, surely I will work this out now. I will go home. I will go back. Today is Friday. This place is going to be operational from next month. Today is 19th, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, between now and before it gets functional, I will communicate to you very clear terms what Anambra State's own monthly contributions will be to encourage you and encourage you to be able to do more. Yes. Because this is what government should be doing everywhere. But government alone cannot do it. We have already secured about 5 hectares of land at Isiago to build old people's home. On my birthday this year, I was at Norfiat Psychiatric Center. I was at the prisons to see prisoners, and then the other hospitals to see the less privileged. And now a private foundation powered by the Zion Ministry is building, has this already standing. As government, we must then